Come in and take disrespect from people and they don't have no fucking manners, brother. He don't have no manners, he don't know to talk to people. First of all, me come some of the pick up and point out my car to people like a plan on the plan for kill me. Look how you have my name on your life attack and I done me with woman when I give a fucking dollar. Not even a fucking gift. It's almost like you did plan for blood clot kill me with the dirty broke girl them where they over your fucking page. That's why I can't better, but one thing when my wife do, I don't call my fucking name. No use my name for get no gift and tell no lies. Cause Derrick, if I make that phone call there, you can't leave a town. I not ask Christ. You have a torment in a blood clot town. You hear me say? So take a look at blood clot hype, your 3 minutes of fame and go on and stop calling me blood clot name. You hear me? I want to do. Because I know say someone who depend on the live here, where they over there, where I play hypocrite and two-sided cutlass. We no go tell blood clot him this. Tell him. Stop calling me fucking name in your thinking mouth. Your dirty mouth. Dirty old fucking batty man. Fuck up batty man. You know no manners. You're too fucking wicked and lie and bad. Look on the lies them where you tell upon me. Eh? Look on the lies them where you tell upon me. You come bring me down. You come bring me down. You not tell me if you talk because me ain't know the same thing. Me ain't know the same thing. I'm not afraid of people. You hear that? I'm not afraid of people. Oh. Look what the man live for me name since night. Eh? The man there for me life the whole since night and me sit down over there and I watch him and the man I tell him be a lie all for me the man I tell. Thank you Ashanti. Be a lie the man over there tell for me. Oh, me taking page and me make him feel live in an old house, not a fucking old house. The big dirty liar batty man, like off the light them over there beg on sympathy and I tell you say fi send him gift. Not a old house in a blood clot day, not a blood clot old house, not a old house. I try to use my name, forget clout and forget followers of a blood clot people, eh? What me ever do to you? When I call me, they say to you, say, Derrick, don't call me phone and talk to me, so. Me not do them arguing, me not do them something, and Derrick, don't call me phone and talk to me, so. Don't call me phone and talk to me, so, Derrick. I'm lock off your phone in your ears, because I not take disrespect from people. Worse you, Derrick. You's a fucking mongrel. Me not take no disrespect from you. You hear that? And you go for your life and you show the shit in the toilet. And you talk about, she can't blood clot come back over there so you know go suck her man hood. Shit bucket. Shit up bowl, all of them nasty dirty things. They think say me could have go on the internet go class you so. Me ignore blood clot you cause me know better, who know better, do better. But we lip on my name for every night they for live attack about me and I make up allegations about me. But me at your page. Eh? And I talk about say me sick in my head. I can feel like some a girl underneath. Look on this a dirty low life drunk or ya. Look on you too. Eh?